Okay, hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a cross with a tassel. I'm gonna say a rosary. I thought this was absolutely beautiful and it is going to be a gift for someone. So let me show you what we'll be using. Now this I bought at the Dollar Tree, okay, and it did have a scripture on it. Went ahead and I painted these pieces here in a bronze color. Okay, and then this is from the ornament section, and with the fall ornaments, the maple leaf. I also painted it in the bronze. Okay, then I went ahead with this wire from the auto section. I cut a piece as long as I needed it, and I shaped it into, I don't know if you could see that, shaped that round and then twisted the ends, making a hanger for the back of this. Then I just realized just now that it already has a hanger, so I might not need it exactly for this piece. But what we're gonna do, and let me show you this. This is an absolutely beautiful piece. We will be using the pearls. I got this at the Dollar Tree. But anyway, this, look at the size of this. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I thought it matched the cross beautifully. The tassel, I mean, it's $3 and even came with a little tag sign that says gather. Now, I got it at Dollar General and it was $3, and honestly, it probably cost more than $3 to make. So that was an excellent buy. Then these sprigs right here, I just found that in my stash. So we're gonna be using that because we are going to be making the little crown, and we are going to be using the pearls as the hands and the feet and the head of Jesus. So that's what we'll be doing in this project. We're making like a giant rosary. So let's jump into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, let's get started. So it's very simple. I'm not doing very much to it, but I know it's gonna come out absolutely gorgeous, especially who I'm giving it to is gonna be so excited. Okay, so we're gonna put some hot glue in the back of that maple leaf. Now I'm gonna put that maple leaf, let me stand up, right here in the center. Okay, just like that. So you should have something that looks just like this. Okay, now, okay, so I can probably cut these. So we have 4 of these, and let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a V shape. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here. So I'm gonna put some glue. Just hold that right there. Then we're gonna put some glue on this side. And we're gonna lay that this way. Okay, and that needs a second to dry. Okay, so while that's drying, okay, we're gonna take the tag off of this. It's a very easy craft. Okay, like I said, this is so beautiful and it matches so nicely. Look at that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, since we're kind of making a giant rosary, we're going to put some glue right here in the center. Gonna hold that right there. Then we're gonna get one for this side. I'm gonna try to get the same size. I have 2 sizes in here. And it is a wall decor piece, but it is going to look like a rosary. I'm like really excited to give this away. I have someone who I think would absolutely love this. And then this one here is going to go right here. Okay, and so now this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful? I think that's absolutely gorgeous. So now, like I said, this already had a hanger in the back, so I may not need to use this, but if not, we can always use it in a different decor. So what I'm gonna do, I don't wanna push too much on that, is I am going to glue. You know it has the tag, so I'm gonna glue this portion of the tassel right to the back right here. Okay. Ready? Oh my goodness, I think this came out so nice. I grabbed the pieces in my room and I decided to make a rosary for a friend of mine. And look at this. So we have a giant rosary. Let me see if I can turn that up a little bit so you could see. So this is what that's looking like. That is absolutely gorgeous. The hanger is already on there, so we don't have to worry about placing that. We glued the tassel on the back, nice and straight. And look at this. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. And I will see you in the next video.